the biggest challenge for investors now is actually not lack of information. The biggest challenge for investors now is there's too much information. This is very unlike, say, 10 years ago, before high-speed internet came about. Information is valuable because information is scarce. It's not easy to access information. Now, with the advent of high-speed internet, the challenge facing investors is actually the opposite. That you have too much information, and your challenge is to actually filter out what is important information and what I call as pure noises, right? Noises where they are not significant or they could be not true. It is a very tricky question, as in tricky in the sense there are multiple answers to it, and there are multiple aspects to it. If you know what you're investing into, say if you choose a company, say for instance, if you choose Nestle to invest, you're bound to get a lot of news flow or noises in the market about this and about that. But if you understand the company, or if you understand what the business is about, then you will tend to not get affected so much by the noises. There's too much information outside. Then on the other hand, you need to know the ability to filter what is important and what's not important. Then that really depends on how serious you want to be as an investor. If you are those who really want to put in effort, as I mentioned earlier, you want to put in effort, you want to go and study about it, then yes, you have to be a bit sensitive to this news flow or these sources, and you need to spend time to study the information and to make a judgment on whether this information that you have, are they really news or are they noise. But on the other hand, if you just want to do a passive investment, you just want to invest, you wouldn't want to commit too much time to actually learn about all these things, then in this case, usually not having much news is actually better for you. So it's actually both sides. Again, the answer is really depending on how serious you want to be an investor.